Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix it if mobile data isn't working on the Galaxy S22, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Samsung Galaxy S22 and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Step 2. In this menu, locate the airplane mode option and tap on it. Wait for a few seconds to allow all connections to reset. Step 3. Now, disable the airplane mode option by tapping it again. If this doesn't fix the mobile data issue, press and hold the power button on your device. Step 4. In the power menu, find and tap on the restart option. Confirm by tapping the restart button and your phone will reboot automatically. Step 5. Once your phone restarts, if the issue persists, open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 6. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General Management. Step 7. Next, scroll further down and select the Reset option. From the list, choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. Step 8. Finally, tap on Reset Settings and confirm by tapping the Reset button. This will reset your mobile network settings instantly. If the issue still isn't resolved, contact your service provider for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.